We are now adding PredictifAI as a software-based application, really for bringing forward the deterministic information about incoming waves and the resulting motion of a vessel.
Marius, thanks for taking the time to speak to me today. Can you firstly begin by telling us and explaining to us about PredictifAI?
It's really all about the company. As you know, we've been perfecting to measuring waves and adding analytics on that for the last 40 years. From there, we have encapsulated knowledge into a handful of basic products that can measure waves and wave spectrums. On top of that, we are now adding PredictifAI as a software-based application, really for bringing forward the deterministic information about incoming waves and the resulting motion of a vessel. It's a self-learning system that builds up the learning in 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to do any calibration or any advanced mathematical modeling on the thing. So you basically turn it on and give it those minutes.
And off it goes. Who would be using that?
Any advanced marine operation where you can take a passive action or an automatic active action in your operation. That could be holding back on sending someone on the gangway or holding back on deploying lifts through the sea surface.
Yeah. It's called PredictifAI. How accurate is it in predicting?
The accuracy is in the range of 90% relation to the situation out there. We're quite proud of actually identifying complex seas where you have waves coming in from different directions. And we're actually able to analyze that situation and tell you that in 2 minutes there will be a wave at this height coming towards the vessel and in real time.
If I want PredictifAI, if I'm using PredictifAI, how do I use it?
It's based on our basic sensors, which I hope most offshore vessels doing advanced marine operations would have installed. We name it our wave system, which is built up on 2 different measurement sources, the WaveX and the rangefinder. From there, we actually add a piece of software. So if you have those 2 goodies installed, it's actually about adding the software on PredictifAI, and you are basically good to go.
How does it differ from traditional wave and monitoring systems?
It is about the complexity that I discussed. The other is the real-time perspective of it. So we actually update the prediction every second. From there, it is the ease of using it.
How do you see it developing in the future, and where do you see it going?
The concept of using the basic wave measurements initially, and now the prediction that we have on top of it is quite immature in the industry. We still have a way to go and low-hanging fruits to gain by actually getting used to having that information available on the bridge for a captain or in the back office for the team there.
So in terms of safety, it's gonna help.
I think we have a range of interesting values to pick ahead in.
Excellent. Well, I'm excited to see where it goes.